All right, problem 5. Each of these terms has a sign. So we are going to factor out a sign. Now we have 2 factors, and I didn't put a parentheses around this one, but I'll just show you. That's a number times a number equals 0. So we're going to set each of these numbers separately equal to 0 and see what we could get for a solution. That's called the zero product property. It's from Algebra 1. So we're going to set each of these factors equal to 0 separately. So we have the sine of x equals 0 and 1 minus 2 cosine of x equals 0. So it doesn't really matter which factor is 0. Because if that's 0 and this is 5, we're still going to equal 0 because 0 times 5 will be 0. And then let's say this one was 0. It doesn't even matter what makes this factor, what value it is. Because 0 times whatever that number will be, it's still going to be 0. All right, so yes.
So does the 2 in front of the sign not mean there's 2 signs? It's just a coefficient? Because when you factored out the sign, wouldn't it have been 1 minus sine cosine?
So, okay, let's say these were x's. Let's say this was x minus 2, I don't know, xy or something like that. And you were factoring an x out. Mm-hmm. Okay, it would be x, and then you have 1 minus 2y. I don't know if I answered your question.
Yeah, so it's not attached to the x at all. It doesn't mean there's 2 x's. It's just a number in front.
It's a number in front.
Yeah. Okay.
This is 2 times the sine of x times the cosine of x.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. All right. So we got, where does sine of x equal 0? We've got at 0 and pi. And then this is, we can subtract 1 and then divide by -2, right? So we'll get the cosine, oops. Now you can't see through me. Cosine of x equals 1/2. Where does the cosine equal 1/2? Boom, boom. We've got tall angles. It's positive, so x has to be positive. Nice. So we've got 0, pi, pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3. That's it. So 0, pi, pi over 3. Again, these are not in order. And that's fine, because they're all solutions. Sometimes you might see someone right over here, x equals 0 and then pi. And then over here, they might write pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3 and then just circle both together. It doesn't matter. All right, let's see if we have more time.